This is Daniel with Blue Collar Daily, and last issue we were having, we were getting low oil pressure. The oil pressure was zeroing out, and it was showing on the gauge low oil pressure. So we changed it out with some Pro Lube. We put a fresh oil change in it, and we've ran it for like a day now with the Pro Lube in it. So this is the difference. Let's see. Oh, let me grab the keys. Oil pressure jumps right up. It runs a lot smoother. Even pop the a lot smoother, but we're gonna go through next. We're gonna try to see what's up with the evac canister and the evac solenoid. See if we can't run a little smoother on idle and get that right. Y'all follow along, and we'll start getting into that next.
Yeah, follow us, guys. Subscribe and like and follow this video for more. Thank you.